You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. What's your name? Is your name Phoenix? Your name is Phoenix. Yes, your name is Phoenix. I brushed him out and everything. I got him days 6 months old. He's a little cutie. But yeah, he's getting along with the cats pretty well. And the cats love him. This is the first time. It's the first time they're meeting. Oh, you stole their spot. Lola's freaking out, bro. Don't go hide, Lola. It's fine. It's fine. He's friendly. Right. He's more scared of you than you are him.